Hi guys! Update ko lang kayo para sa ating March promo. Panoorin nyo ang video na to hanggang dulo. Matibay at subok na sa negosyong sasakyan ba ang hanap mo? Nandito ang ating 2026 Mitsubishi L300 na may 1,038,380. Naka-zero down payment, free 2 months amortization, pay after 100 days, at meron ka pang pre-LTFRB assistance na may 112,000 cash discount. 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS Automatic, 1,259,000, 5,000 all-in down payment, 26,000 monthly amortization, plus 35,000 worth of exclusive freebies na may 105,000 cash discount. 2026 Mitsubishi Expander Cross, zero down payment, free 1 month amortization, plus 35,000 worth of exclusive freebies na may 121,000 cash discount. 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator for as low as 79,000 all-in down payment, plus 30,000 worth of exclusive freebies. 2026 Mitsubishi Versavan, 1,649,000 na may 130,000 all-in down payment, 34,000 monthly amortization, mauuwi mo na ang ating 2026 Versavan. 2026 Montero Sport GLX Manual, naka-zero down payment, free 1 month amortization, plus 40,000 worth of exclusive freebies. Pwede ka pang mamili ng premium look or Black Series look na may 280,000 cash discount. Para naman sa ating 2026 Montero Sport GLS Automatic, 20,000 all-in down payment, free 1 month amortization, plus 40,000 worth of exclusive freebies. Pwede ka pang mamili ng premium look or Black Series look na may 145,000 cash discount. At kung nagustuhan mo ang aking promo, i-message mo lang ako sa aking contact number at sa aking Facebook page na makikita mo sa ating screen. Once again, I'm Lou Rayonal, your sales agent from Mitsubishi Sebad Santos, Tondo, Manila. See you sa releasing day.
Yes, wag check mo na mga kosta. Alam mo maangas kahit dito nakatos pa. Pinanis ko kahit naka-auto. Kahit plain white sando lang suot ko. Iba yung arrive, talagang head turner. Laging fresh, nakatambay lang sa corner. Best pa lang dala, o panis ka. Tas may pocket money arid kay sa bulsa. Bitch mo na pa, eh.